Hi everyone, this is Srikanth Srinivas Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. Today we talk about what is affiliated marketing. Okay, let's jump into the topic. And last technique is affiliated marketing. So what is affiliated marketing means? Amazon is there, Flipkart is there. There are some e-commerce websites out there. So we can earn money through Flipkart. We can earn money through Amazon. How we can earn? Some people are when you open YouTube channel, I mean YouTube, everybody will do unboxing videos. Why they are doing unboxing videos? They are mad? No. And they are purchasing a day every time they will purchase big products. How they why they are purchasing? So after in unboxing videos, they are showing how to unbox and they are giving some reviews, right? And they will tell in the last, like, if you want to buy this product, just go to my description and click the link and buy. They will tell why they are asking us to buy. See, if some one person is doing unboxing video and he is telling like, okay, if you want to buy this product, this is the best product, so go and buy. There is a description link, you will get some discount. He will tell, actually the discount will get that person only, he will get. We will also get, but he will get some commission. So how he is getting that commission? How Amazon is giving us money? How Flipkart is giving us money? Because he's promoting Amazon product, and he's giving some what referral link. A referral link is giving in description. I just clicked on that link and I purchased the product. After purchasing the product, then immediately when you go to his the person who promoted the product, he will get some commission. So that is affiliated marketing. So how we can earn through some what e-commerce website. Here e-commerce website means like Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, so that is affiliated marketing, and we will tell how I will going to tell you how to earn money through Amazon, Flipkart and other things. Okay, that is affiliated marketing. And see, that's all guys, that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.